Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy SpaceX stock on XTB. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official XTB website right here, xtb.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there. If you're using your mobile device, just go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, and from there you can get started searching for XTB and downloading the application. So once you've opened up the application or the mobile website, the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and log into our account to be able to purchase stock. So what you want to do is click the create account option right here if you have not already gotten an account for yourself. If you have one, just go ahead and log in. So once you logged in, now we are going to be able to get started, and in the upper right corner you are going to go ahead and see this search button right here. The search button is going to enable us to search for whatever stock we want to buy, and what we can do is use the search field right here and search for SpaceX. So it's going to show you how to buy SpaceX share commissions free with XTB, and this is what you can go and click on, and from this article we can get started. So what I suggest for you to do is to go ahead and get started with reading it for yourself in great detail and take a look at how the stocks are doing, and here you're going to find the link to get into. Currently the stocks are closed for SpaceX, so once they open up again and are available to everybody, you're going to go and be able to purchase it and to get started with it. But basically this is the quick way to get into it from the XTB website. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.